welcome back to my channel. It is another video. So today is a DIY kind of video. So yes, I want to show you guys how I mix my shea butter mix. For this shea butter mix, right, you can use it for your hair and you can use it for your body. So this is real raw shea butter from Nigeria. Like it still smells like the original, you know, you can still smell it from a mile away. Like shea butter smell has a very unique original smell, and whereby the one you buy from like Amazon or the one I buy here, I can't smell that. Like it's like they wash out the smell. So yes, this is it, the shea butter from Nigeria. So I'm going to show you guys how I mix it. This is for our body and this is also for our hair. So you can melt this in the microwave if it is still hard, but it has been on this kitchen counter for a while, and look at it, it is soft. It is, once you touch it, it's melting away immediately, so there is no need for melting anything. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add it in here. I'm gonna use my mixer to mix it up, okay? Because what you want to do is to whip it. Like you need to whip it until it becomes very creamy and very white kind of thing. So yeah, let's get on it. So before I start mixing it, I didn't show you guys the oil I have here. So I have almond oil, I have castor oil, and I have linseed oil. This is like flaxseed. If you use flaxseed gel, I use flaxseed for my hair as well. So flaxseed can be a very good thing for your hair if you use it as a gel. It's very good. Or if you use it to deep condition your hair, it is absolutely beautiful. So that is linseed. If you don't see linseed, look for flaxseed oil. That is the same thing. Anyway, let me get on the mixing of the cream. So yeah, that is my hand mixer. So I'm going to add my shea butter. So now guys, I am going to add my oil in there. It's becoming soft. Look at it. It's becoming very soft. So I'm going to add my oil. That is castor oil. I'm going to add castor oil. I'm using 1/8 cup of the measurement. I'm going to add my linseed oil. And I'm going to add almond oil. I'm going to put it back on and mix everything. So, Maeve is amazed. Maeve, touch it. Maeve is like, look at how soft that is.
Okay, I'm gonna feel it.
All right, come on, feel it. Now, all my kids want to feel the Shea butter. Put your hand, Killian. That's Kieran, and that's Killian. Very soft, isn't it? All right, go on, let me finish the video. They have never seen me whip it. I always do that when they're not here. But yeah, look at it. It went from super, you know, hard to, look at that. You know, it went from being whatever it is to being this. So yes, we are done with that. Let me put it in a container. So guys, look at my cream. I still have a little bit in here. I need to get a container for that. But yes, like this cream is popping. You can use it for your skin and you can use it for your hair. And yeah, especially for your hair. No, especially for both of them, it works so well. For your hair, it helps you with, you know, hair growth and all that, and you know, moisturize your hair very well. For your skin, for me that get dry skin, it keeps my hair like away from dry skin. Like it moisturizes it keeps my body away from dry skin. It moisturizes my body very well, and yeah, it's the best winter cream for me, because during the winter my skin tend to be very dry. Not only mine and my kids ones, they tend to be very so shea butter is the best thing, you know, for moisturizing our skin during the winter period. But yes, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is where today's video is going to end. Don't forget to give a thumbs up on this DIY. If you like this DIY, leave a comment down below. And if you're somebody that loves shea butter, that use shea butter as a cream or hair cream, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.